Hello, Emily.
Hi, Paul. Hi, everyone. I'm so happy to be here today.
Me too. Today, we are going to learn how to talk about sports in English.
That's right. Talking about sports is fun and useful. You can use it at school, work, or with friends.
And we will keep it easy, simple, and beginner-friendly.
But before we start, if you like this episode, please click the like button and subscribe to Mr. English channel.
And don't forget to share it with friends who want to practice English about sports.
1. Basic vocabulary for sports. Emily, let's start with basic sports vocabulary. Here are some common sports: football, soccer, basketball, tennis, volleyball, swimming, running or jogging, cycling, baseball, badminton, table tennis, or ping pong.
Paul, role play. Paul, Emily, what sports do you like?
Emily, I like swimming and tennis.
And I like football and basketball.
You can also describe sports with verbs. Play, for team or individual sports. I play football. Do, for exercises or some sports. I do yoga. Go, for activities like cycling or jogging. I go running.
Paul, examples. I play basketball every Saturday. I do yoga in the morning. I go cycling in the park.
Emily, listeners, pause and say your favorite sport out loud. 2. Talking about frequency.
Paul, next, let's learn how often you do sports.
Emily, some simple words. Always, usually, sometimes, often, rarely, never.
Paul, examples. I always play football on weekends. I usually go running in the morning. I sometimes swim in the evening. I rarely play tennis because I am busy. I never do boxing. It's too hard for me.
Emily, role play. Paul, Emily, how often do you swim? Emily, I usually swim 3 times a week.
Paul, and I often play football on Saturdays.
Emily, listeners, try saying how often you play your favorite sport. 3. Asking questions about sports.
Paul, now let's practice asking questions about sports.
Emily, simple questions. What sports do you like? Do you play football? How often do you go running? Who is your favorite player? Do you like team sports or individual sports?
Paul, role play. Paul, Emily, what sports do you like?
Emily, I like swimming and tennis. What about you?
Paul, I like football and basketball.
Emily, you can also ask about frequency. How often do you play football? Do you play basketball every week? Listeners, pause and ask a friend these questions in English. 4. Talking about favorites.
Paul, we can talk about favorite sports, teams, and players.
Emily, examples. My favorite sport is football. I love basketball. My favorite team is Manchester United. I like Serena Williams. She is very strong and fast. You can also describe why you like something. I like football because it is exciting. I love swimming because it makes me healthy and relaxed. Basketball is my favorite because I enjoy playing with friends.
Paul, role play. Paul, Emily, who is your favorite tennis player?
Emily, my favorite player is Rafael Nadal. He is very strong and brave.
Paul, I like Lionel Messi. He is very talented and fast.
Emily, listeners, try saying your favorite sport, team, or player. 5. Describing skills and abilities.
Paul, let's learn how to describe skills.
Emily, simple words. Good at, not good at, can, can't, excellent at, bad at.
Paul, examples. I am good at football, but I am not good at tennis. She can swim very fast. He can't play basketball, but he is good at running. My friend is excellent at cycling.
Emily, role play. Paul, Emily, are you good at swimming? Emily, yes, I am good at swimming, but I am not good at basketball.
Paul, I am good at football, but I can't swim very well.
Emily, listeners, describe your skills in your favorite sports. 6. Talking about sports in the past.
Paul, you can also talk about sports in the past using simple past. I played football yesterday. I went running last weekend. She practiced tennis last Monday.
Emily. Examples. I played basketball with my friends yesterday. He swam in the pool last Saturday. We did yoga this morning.
Paul. Role play. Paul. Emily, what sports did you do yesterday?
Emily. I swam in the pool and went running.
Paul. I played football with my friends.
Listeners, pause and say what sports you did yesterday. 7. Talking about sports in the future.
Paul. You can also talk about future sports plans. I will play football tomorrow. I am going to swim on Sunday. We will play basketball next week.
Emily. Examples. Tomorrow, I will go running in the park. Next weekend, I am going to play tennis.
Paul. Role play. Paul. Emily, what sports will you do tomorrow?
Emily. I will go swimming and do yoga.
Paul. I am going to play football with my friends.
Listeners, pause and say your sports plans for tomorrow or next week. 8. Mini quiz practice. Emily. Let's practice together. I will ask a question and you answer. What sports do you like? How often do you play football? Who is your favorite player? Are you good at swimming?
Paul. Great. Keep practicing these questions and answers every day.
9. Tips for talking about sports. Emily. Some simple tips. Use simple sentences. Start with your favorite sport. Add frequency. Always, sometimes, rarely. Add skills or abilities. Good at, can, can't. Talk about past or future sports activities.
Paul. Example. I like football. I play it every Saturday. I am good at passing the ball. Last week, I played with my friends, and next week, I will play again.
10. Wrap-up summary.
Paul. Today, we learned how to talk about sports vocabulary, ask and answer sports questions, describe favorite sports, teams, and players, talk about skills, talk about sports in the past and future.
Emily. And don't forget, practice with friends, family, or by yourself. 11. Call to action.
Paul. That's all for today's episode.
Emily. In the comments, tell us your favorite sport, how often you play it, your favorite player.
Paul. And remember to subscribe, like, and share with friends who want to learn English.
Emily. Thank you for joining us today. Keep practicing English every day.
Paul. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Emily. Bye everyone.